Paano nga ba mag-multiply ng fractions? Let me explain. Hindi ito katulad ng sa addition at sa subtraction na kailangan muna similar fractions sila bago tayo mag-solve. Sa multiplication of fractions, kahit hindi. Let's have number 1. 2 over 3 times 4 over 5. Simple lang to. I-multiply nyo ang numerator by numerator. So, 2 times 4, you have, correct, 8. Over 3 times 5 kasi denominator to denominator din. So, what is 3 times 5? 15. May common factor pa ba si 8 over 15? Kaya pa bang i-simplify? Hindi na. So, eto na yung final answer. Okay, let's apply sa number 2. 3 over 7 times 5 over 8. Ano muna una natin i-multiply? Yung numerator to numerator. So, 3 times 5, ilan siya? Correct, that's 15. Over 7 times 8, denominator to denominator. Ano ang sagot natin? Okay, that's 56. Now, may common factor pa ba si 15 and 56? Wala na. So, eto na ngayon yung final answer natin. 15 over 56. Now, you try. 5 over 6 times 3 over 4. What will be the product? Okay, comment your answer in our comment section and please don't forget to follow our page and share our videos para marami pang matuto sa math. At laging tandaan, let's spread the love of math at mag-aral ng mabuti. Bye!